Sam from Sheridan Computers. There's no tutorials or anything in this video, this is just me sharing my first experiences of a 3D printer with you. Finally bit the bullet and decided to purchase one. Hopefully I've calibrated it right and it's built right, so we're going to try and do our first test print with one of these UnIFi access point backing plates. Let's see how this goes. I'm the owner of Sheridan Computers. Sheridan Computers is an IT support company based in Manchester. I formed the company back in 2002, so I've been doing this for quite a while now. While mainly we work with companies that don't have their own internal IT staff, even if you do, we're quite happy to work with them if they need an extra pair of hands or if you have a project coming up that you need assistance with. If you'd like to hire us, head across to our website at sheridan.co.uk. There's a hire us link at the top of the page. If you follow this link and fill out the form and leave some details on what you're looking for, once I've reviewed it, I'll get back to you with whether we are able to help. While you're on our website, you can find out more information on my company, some of the people that we deal with, as well as the services that we offer. If you have a technical question, but maybe you're not quite ready to hire somebody yet, or maybe if you just want to pop along and say hi, feel free to head across to our forums at forums.sheridan.co.uk. Our forums are completely free for anybody to use. I do try to spend as much time here as I can and answer any questions as they are posted. On a final note, if you find this video useful, please take the time to hit the like button. Also consider subscribing to the channel. And if you hit the notifications icon, you'll receive notifications of any new videos as they are released. Now quite often, I'll leave links to any products or services that I reviewed in the description at the bottom of the video. If you use these said links to purchase the services, then you're helping support the channel. Any support that you can give towards the channel is greatly appreciated, as it does take quite a bit of time to produce this content. Let's get on with the video. So the print job finished. Now here's an original backplane from a Ubiquiti access point. And There's just a lot of installations to go to where these backplanes are missing, where people don't bother mounting them to anything for whatever reason. This is a printed version. Now, I'm well impressed with this. It's the first time I've used a 3D printer, but yeah, this is obviously the centre's missing compared to the original. It doesn't have the logos on, but it's not, you know, the reason for printing it is not for that. It doesn't need the centre. The centre's just, you know, whoever's designed this has done a really good job of missing the centre out. It's just a waste of resources to print it, and it just lines up perfectly. So I just wanted to share my first experiences on our first 3D printer. Obviously we've got it aligned properly and it seems to work. My opinion on 3D printers, and specifically the Ender 3D Pro, nothing wrong with them, absolutely spot on.